Welcome back to geometry class. This time we'll talk about exterior angles of a triangle, right? Remember last time we talked about interior angles, yeah? Interior angles of a triangle are angles formed in interior of a triangle by two adjacent sides that meet at a vertex. Yep. Now, let's talk about exterior angles. As the name suggests, an exterior angle is an angle that is outside the triangle, right? And usually is an angle formed at the vertex of a triangle, yeah, formed by a side of a triangle and an extension of an adjacent side of a triangle. For example, this angle is an exterior one. Why? Because it's formed by a side of the triangle and an extension of other adjacent side. Do you see this portion? Yeah, is an extension of this side. Yeah. Now, how many such exterior angles are in a triangle? Is the same number as the interior angles. We have 3 interior angles. We're gonna have 3 exterior angles. Yeah. So this one is one of them. The second one would be this one. Yeah. And the third one is this one. Yeah? So we have 3 such exterior angles. Good. Now, let's talk about remote interior angles of a triangle. Yeah? Now, each exterior angle of a triangle has 2 remote interior angles. What are these remote interior angles? A remote interior angle, yeah, remember interior means inside the triangle, yeah, are angles that are interior to the triangle and are not adjacent to the exterior angle. For example, in this case, the exterior angle is 4, right? Because it's outside the triangle, yeah? Now, the angle that is adjacent to 4 is 3. Why? Because 3 and 4 share the same vertex and the same side. Yeah. Now, the other 2 angles, right, are not adjacent. Because they are not adjacent, they are called remote interior angles. Yeah. So, we can say exterior angle 4 has 2 remote interior angles, which are 2 and 1. Now, if we consider the other, let's say, the other exterior angle, for example, let's say this is 5, yeah? This is another exterior angle, right? Now, this time, the remote interior angles of exterior angle 5 would be 1 and 3 because they have to be non-adjacent. Yeah? And for the third one, let's say this one, yeah? Let's say 6. So, for this exterior angle 6, right, the remote interior angles associated to 6 would be 2 and 3, because 2 and 3 are interior and non-adjacent. Good. This being said, let's move to the next slide and talk about so-called exterior angle theorem. Now, what does this theorem state? The measure of an exterior angle of a triangle equals the sum of the remote interior angles. Yeah? For example, here, angle 4, yeah, which is the exterior angle for this triangle, angle 4, yeah, measure of angle 4, I'll write for you larger, measure of angle 4, yeah, equals, yeah, the sum of the remote interior angles that are 1 and 2. Yeah? We say measure of angle 1 plus measure of angle 2. That's briefly the exterior angle theorem. Now, let's look at this simple example. 120, yeah, is an exterior angle, is this angle. And as we can see, 120 is the sum of the remote interior angles. 70 plus 50 equals 120. And this theorem is valid for any triangle. Good. Next. Suppose we have this practice problem, yeah? Remember, I told you many times, when you have a problem, read the statement, yeah? First. Don't try to solve the problem without reading the statement. It says, triangle ABC, yeah, with side AC extended to D, right, is shown in the accompanying diagram. If measure of angle ABC is this angle, right, equals 63 degrees, and measure of angle BCD, which is 92, right, is this angle. What is the measure of angle BAC? BAC is this angle, right? So we need to find this angle, right? Let's say X. We don't know this angle, that's why we denote by X. Now, how we find the missing angle? By using the exterior angle theorem. We know the measure of the exterior angle equals the sum of the remote interior angles, right? So, we write the equation. So, first, we write 92, yeah? This is the exterior angle. Equals is the sum of the remote interior angles. So, you're going to have X plus 63. Yeah? And then you simply solve for X. We get rid of 63 by subtracting 63. Yeah? So we bring down X, and then we subtract these numbers. So you're going to have 29, yeah? 29 degrees. So X would be 29 degrees. Good. And one more example. Again, we read the statement. Find the value of X and then the measure of exterior angle A, which is this one. Yeah? Good. Now, first identify the exterior angle. Is given, yeah? Is that angle. We know this angle equals the sum of the remote interior angles. And the remote interior angles are 25, this one, and this one. Yeah? So, we simply write the equation. Yeah? So, the exterior angle, whose measure is 3x minus 10, yeah, means equal sum of the remote interior angles. 25 plus x plus 15. And we solve for x. First, we simplify the right side. So the left side is as it is, yeah, equals. First, we add 25 and 15, and we get 40 plus x. Now, we combine like terms. Now, we combine x terms on the left side. Why? Because the coefficient of this term is larger than the coefficient of the other term. Yeah? How? By subtracting x on both sides. Good. So, 3x minus x equals 2x. We bring down negative 10 equals. We bring down 40, and we cancel out x and negative x. Then we combine negative 10 and 40. So we get rid of negative 10 first, yeah, by adding 10 on both sides. And we get these two cancel. 2x equals 40 plus 10 equals 50. Then, to get x, we divide by 2 both sides. And we get x equals 25. We got x equals 25. Now, remember, we go back to our statement. What it says here? Find the value of x. So we already found x, and then the measure of exterior angle A. So that's the exterior angle. We simply plug it in, yeah, the value of x. So you're going to have measure of angle A equals 3 times 25 plus minus 10. Yeah? So we're going to have measure of angle A would be 3 times 25 equals 75, minus 10 is 65 degrees. Yeah? Now, let's check our work. This measure should be the sum of the other, the remote interior angles. This one is 25. The other one would be, we replace again x with 25. 25 plus 15 equals 40, plus 25 is 65. We have a match. Yeah? Now, that's all we have for today. We'll see each other in a future lesson. Thank you for watching my video.